guys, so I'm doing a video, and you guys probably can't see, but I'm with a person. I'm in a Discord call on my iPhone, and yeah, I'm going to be I'm going to be in a call with them on my computer. So I'll join back. Okay, so pretty much we're in the video. I exit Discord in my iPhone. Put my iPhone away. This is proof right here that I'm trying to call him. Oh, what is happening? I didn't even know this was gonna happen. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, so today, ow, my eyes, my ears, guys. I pulled out my 3DS audio and plugged it into the computer. So yeah, guys. I'm doing a video called Jailbreak copied Fortnite. They did, guys. They did. Like this Jailbreak copied Fortnite. Like there's like, I mean, it looks like they copied it. Let's hope they didn't copy it. But it's like they made like, hold on, my 3DS is just acting weird. Okay, so yeah, it's like there's supply drops for money, and there's like, yeah, and there's like seasons too. I'll show you guys here. If not, if you want to see it for yourself, go in Jailbreak. Go join Roblox Jailbreak. And my 3DS is just acting weird, so I can hear it. Okay. No. Guys, look that. Enter season 1. Oh. Look, I got 5 minutes. Let's see. Oh, guys, they're copying Fortnite animation where it's the elder, and I also got again. You guys know, yeah. Jailbreak. I know. I'm just showing the viewers what it looks like. That what. Okay. And look at this. This is not like what the seasons. The dropped for money, like. Okay, guys, so. Okay. Escaping as we escaped. We got 60,000 cash from. We got some cash from the site. See if this is a supply drop. Oh, hell no, fam. Where we're going. Okay, guys, so we're going. Look at my rocket fuel, it just went up. That's actually cool. I actually got a little bit of rocket fuel that I could use if I need. Oh, iceberg. It's like Fortnite. They added the iceberg. Made like the map winter. They made part of the map, and we like why Jailbreak? I don't know. I don't understand. I'm not a video dude. Jailbreak. If ever knows how to contact Jailbreak, just kidding. Roblox the best. But oh hell no, fam. No, freeze my screen. There we go. Let's see if he arrests me now. He won't. I bet you he can't. Because of my glitch. Cause he sucks. Just kidding. Okay. Yep, I end up in jail. Yep. This is what you do, kids. Look. Don't end up in jail. Okay, I'm gonna join Legend. Let's see if there's a game for us to play. Now I'm gonna look for a game. Okay. Play. I'm gonna play Mute City. I don't know. But guys, Jailbreak, they just copied Fortnite. I just feel like that. It's just my opinion, okay, guys? It's my opinion. I think that. Okay, I can only hear you mumbling. And hold on, let me go on my 3DS. I'm gonna check some stuff. Oh yay, my dad's home, yay. Oh god, my terrifying face on this 3DS though. Look, there's a new winter update, but the winter's gone. Yay. Gone. Hold on. Let me plus minutes. What the? I know, I saw. Oh my god. Exactly. They probably put models down there, dude. That's what I did with my game. But I'm not making a full game yet, guys. Oh god, this is killing me, so I'm just gonna turn it off. Water the plant, Meep City. Oh, you suck. Minecraft. Kidding. I like both. I like Roblox, Fortnite, and Minecraft. I like everything. Yeet. Hold on. Okay, I'm not gonna use shift locking me. Yeah, guys, you can join my group and in Roblox, and if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's my Roblox username right there. That's my TikTok. Legend. Why do you barely post TikToks? Oh, it's been 6 minutes in this video right now. I'm gonna make a 13:30 mark, and then we'll stop recording. Okay, for me. How much minutes does this take to do this whole thing? I will soon, hold on. Guys, also, support me more than supporting me is by joining my Roblox group. Go to my profile, call me _2 in Roblox, and see the first group. You just scroll down from my feed, and then you guys, and then not doing my video, and then you guys can like see my group, my friends, and yeah, you guys just go on my profile, YouTube, and go down there. If my profile, you see my profile, and you see it, and then you just go down, and then you see my group. Voila, just join it if you want to support me. But if you want to support me more, go ahead and buy some. Okay, guys, hold on. I'm good. Hold on, let me just check my 3DS. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be going in there. Hold on. Oops, baby, I need you in my life. do. Cringe, guys. I must sing. Ooh. Okay, so I'm doing the video, guys. So yeah, third pause into the video. No idea why. Let's hope it doesn't go room. And I didn't celebrate Christmas in Meep City or Roblox. I mean, I did. Hold on, but not in Meep City, which is my event room. So yeah, I'm gonna just a new event room and customize. Oh, I did. Oh, yeah, I did. I'm doing a video. I can play with you right after. Sorry, guys. Okay, I should initiate autotune. Just kidding. Okay, I'm just cringe now. Straight up cringe. Oh wait. Yeah, wait after this video, okay? Doo doo. Wow, look at this, guys. I have. Dude, look, I have this Robux. I have enough to buy it, but I don't want to buy it. Should I buy it, guys? Should I buy it? Guys? I have this. Oh no, I think I should buy it. Ups down. Should I buy it? Oh god, I don't have that much. Ooh, this is a hard decision. Alright, let's. camera shot. You and I. Okay, what is Please run to your left. Hooray. This is enough, right? Yeah, I think that's good. To my heart, all lost it. Please help my life, friend. Okay, guys, so, ooh, studio, let's put my studio. It's like really soft. I think that's good enough. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, my headphones just really good. Or should we do America wallpaper? This is the first of the year soon. 2019 soon. So I don't know. Should I do it? I think I should do America, but I don't know why I bought it, but I'm gonna do some American stuff. There you go. Let's hope they have like a lot of holidays. They don't have anything good for me. Dude. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna wait. A New Year, Christmas. Okay, yeah, guys, so yeah. I'm gonna close that up now and make a party soon. There you go. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make a party in Meep City. Let's hope I get a lot of people in my party. And plus, you get it? No, okay. What is happening right there? How do you make parties? People, where is it? How do you make parties, people? Oh, maybe it's in the menu. Maybe it's in the... Maybe not. Yeah, definitely. We make parties. Oh! We make parties, guys. Where do we make parties? This is not how we... Oh, yeah, never mind. I guess I'm gonna make a holiday. I don't know. I didn't make the holiday, okay? I didn't make a holiday. Meep City House. I should make it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm just being cringy today. Come on, Meep City. You suck. Meep City sucks. Kidding. Because I love it. Oh, wow. 215 likes. Oh, wow. Yay. Okay, here we go. This is my jumping here. Okay, is the lights on? Oh, shoot, what's happening? Need you in my heart. I'm running out of lights. Such and such. I swear this is your. Okay, people are joining. I'm gonna go right. No, I actually know a good spot the video without anyone interrupting. Oh, yep, he left. See, fooled you. I'm the only one here. Yay.
Okay, guys.
So I'm gonna go in my VIP room, my secret one. How about that? There's like a invisible block that I put down there. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe and share. And yeah, bye guys. Peace. Have a great day.